As expected, today is officially the warmest day of 2025 so far. Our high in Grand Rapids hit 87, and for all the reporting stations across West Michigan, temperatures range from 85 to 87, so a very warm day for us. Average this time of year is 76, and we have not been this warm since September 21st of 2024. So we had a lot of sunshine. Initially, we definitely had a lot of humidity and gusty winds, and you can kind of see both of those two things here looking out over Grand Haven. Very smoky as well, which you heard meteorologist Reese Cole talking about for the last couple of hours. Temperatures now have fallen a couple degrees for most of us, but we're still very warm in the middle to upper 80s for many. A couple spots, though, did get some rain earlier today, so Big Rapids we're now down to 74, 70 degrees for Hart, and 67 in Muskegon. All of those spots with that rain-cooled air. You can still see a little evidence of that shower making its way into Montcalm and Mecosta counties, northern Kent County as well. This will continue to move away and should be just about the only rain that we get here in the immediate future ahead of this big cold front. You can see the line of thunderstorms making its way through Wisconsin, and even for southern Wisconsin into Illinois and Iowa, there's a severe thunderstorm watch out there. We could have a couple of strong storms possibly try to make their way across Lake Michigan, but we don't have a whole lot of energy, and with this coming in through the overnight, maybe an opportunity for a gusty storm right after midnight between Muskegon and Big Rapids, but I think most of us are just going to end up with some general thunderstorms, heavy downpours, big boomers, but that's about it. We're probably not going to be dealing with severe storms. As that front continues to push to the south tomorrow, it's going to stall. It's going to become very, very slow. And that may help to allow some of these spots towards Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, and Coldwater to warm up enough that there may be a potential for a strong storm there as temperatures are able to recover a little bit. For most of us, though, the 76-degree temperature, that's going to come in the very early morning before the front moves through. And then we will start to see those temperatures fall through the day. There may still be some opportunity for warming a little bit more down to the south, where places like the 94 corridor could stay in the 70s for most of tomorrow. Here's one of those little tiny storms trying to make it across Lake Michigan, perhaps from Muskegon up through Big Rapids through the 10 p.m. to midnight time frame. But other than that, looks like we're probably not going to see much in terms of rain until the commute time. Heavy downpours, though, strikes of lightning. Probably want to allocate a little bit more time for your morning commute. Heavy rain will continue through about lunchtime, and then it looks like we should dry out. Part of that could be due to the slowness of the front here, but a lot of this is likely due to all of the smoke in the atmosphere kind of eroding the potential for all of that moisture. In any event, by the time we get to the afternoon, most of us are going to be done with any rain, but that stalling cold front could still bring the chance for a few showers and thunderstorms towards the Indiana state line Thursday night, and a wave of rain will still probably develop on Friday as well. So just about every other day, chances for rain and thunderstorms at least through early next week.